Hello everyone. So today we have 2 to the power of t equals to t to the power of 32. And t is your known. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. So 2 to the power of t equals to t to the power of 32. The first thing we will do is to multiply the power by 1 over t. That is 2 to the power of t times 1 all over t equals to t to the power of 32 times 1 all over t. But a to the power of n and a to the power of m is represented as a to the power of m times n. Here, a t will cancel out. What will be left will be 2 equals to, this will become t to the power of 32 all over t. Again, we're going to multiply the power by 1 over 32 so that 2 will be to the power of 1 all over 32 equals to t to the power of 32 over t times 1 over 32. And this can be written as 2 to the power of 1 times 1 all over 32. This equals to 32 will cancel out. What will be left will be t to the power of 1 all over t. So that 2 can be written to the power of 2 all over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1 all over 32 is all equal to t to the power of 1 over t. And by principle, we can write as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 all over 32. And this equals to t to the power of 1 over t. And if you do this very well, we're going to have 2 to the power of 2 as 4. 2 times 32, that will be 1 all over 64 equals to t to the power of 1 over t. The target is to mathematically arrange and manipulate the left-hand side to look like the right-hand side. So what we'll do next is to write 4 to the power of 1 times 1 over 64 equals to t to the power of 1 over t. And again, 1 can be written as 4 to the power of 2 over 2 times 1 over 64. This is equals to t to the power of 1 over t. Again, we can rearrange it as 4 to the power of 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 64. Close this bracket. This all equals to t to the power of 1 over t. So 4 to the power of 2 is 16. 2 times 64 is 128. So it's 1 all over 128. This equals to t to the power of 1 over t. And again, we write 16 to the power of 2 over 2 times 1 over 128. This equals to t over 1 over t. So the next line becomes 16 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 all over 128. This equals to t to the power of 1 over t. 16 to the power of 2 is 256. 2 times 128 is also 256, which is equals to 1 over t. So these are two comparable cases. That is, t is equals to 256. Since 1 is 1 and 256 is t, and 256 as a base also is a base as t. Therefore, t is equals to 256. And to verify this, in the original equation, 2 to the power of t is equals to t to the power of 32. So in place of t, we're going to replace it with 256. So that 2 will be to the power of 256 is equals to 256 to the power of 32. And this can be written as 2 to the power of 256 is equal to 2 to the power of 8 is 256, and also to the power of 32. Again, 2 to the power of 256 is equals to 2. 8 times 32 is 256. So the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. That shows that the value of t as 256 is true. Please subscribe to our channel so that more persons can have access to this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.